Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and this is going to be a short video today, but what I have is just the basic swatches of these 5 polishes that I have right here, and these are the Chameleon Stamping Polishes from Beauty Big Bang. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. And as you can see, so there is 5 of them. And what I found best, I am going to show you and bring you up close so you can see them, the formula, and see how they look up close with the number. They're just number 1 through 5. And I will stamp them on my stamping mat over the black and the white. And what I found out is they actually just look their best over black. Although I will say the light has to hit it, the light has to hit the image just right in order for you to really appreciate it and notice the image on the black polish. Okay, so yes, this is going to be a short video, just some swatches so you can see these, how they work over both black and white, and then I will show you a quick design that I did on my nails so then you can see how they are on actual polish. So that is all I have for today. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Now I will go ahead and leave you with the swatches. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed the swatches of these polishes so you'll know what to expect if you purchase these. I will have the links down in the description bar below. And remember, if you're interested, you may use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount across all the entire website of Beauty Big Bang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.